Hey, Salty here. The whole point of this video was supposed to be me showing how I programmed Enrage, a god power or a hero power from Gods Unchained into my game that plays similar to Gods Unchained and Hearthstone. But for some reason, when the whole recording process, like at the most crucial parts, it kept being choppy and laggy. I don't know why. I think I fixed it now, but I can't go back and reprogram and undo all my programming and re-show it again. So yeah, I'm just gonna show it actually working, and then after this, I'll still show the coding process if you want to watch it, but it was but mm, you might still want to watch it. I don't know. It's up to you. It's like an hour-long clip. But yeah, also the whole burn mechanic on previous versions, which I explained in the actual video, I had my own burn mechanic in like version 3, but I got rid of it in this after like version 4 because I don't know why, and I even still had the assets for it. So I'm like, you know what? Let's put this into it and reapply burn to my game. I really thought it was a cool effect. So anyways, enough chit chat. Let's just show it off. Okay, I think I gotta. Oh, I have 0 mana right now, so I gotta set my mana to 2 by going to the host side. There, I set it to 2. And now just drag it onto my guy. And now, yeah, now he has burn 1, and he has and then he has +2/+2. I know it's +2/+1 in the actual game, but I thought +2/+2 was better. Oh, a plu. I thought I fixed the database where it has a Y because it says and apply. I'm gonna fix that once I actually on the actual downloadable version. Yeah, there's gonna be a downloadable version that you can play, and if you have any questions, you can go on my Discord and ask how to play the game, or if you want to give any tips and all that, vice versa. And we're not just done yet. I still got to show off for this. Oh, I forgot I had to hold T for Mike, so yeah, now I set it back to my turn. Set mana back to 2. Drag it onto him. Now he has burn 2. So yeah, and then once he ends his turn, which I'm going to do now, he takes 2 damage. No, oh yeah, he does take 2 damage. That's just I got myself confused there. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm still going to be showing the coding. If you want to watch it, that's fine. But if you're not going to watch it, that's the end of the video here. So yeah, again, if there will be a downloadable link in the description below. Up to 20 people can play, so that's enough for 10 1v1s or 5 2v2s. But I say join my Discord if you're tempted to try it, only because I might be using two of those rooms for my own purposes for testing new cards and such. So yeah, again, that's about it. And on with the recording clip. I doubt you're gonna watch it, but yeah, that's it. Hey, Salty here, and welcome to another Can I Build It? Recently, I've been playing a lot of Gods Unchained, and I noticed they have this one hero power, or which they call a god power, which gives a creature +2/+1, but gives it burn, or you can give it to an enemy and give it burn too. I really like that idea, and my own game, which plays similar to both Hearthstone and Gods Unchained, before I even heard of Gods Unchained, I also had a burn mechanic in one of my earlier builds. Like you can even see it from here, like this unit, because every time I pre-use the same assets every time I make a new build of the game or version. And if we go to burn here, it's actually has its own little object and it's highlighted, and as you can see, there's a number, right? So what I'm gonna do is actually make the burn mechanic work. And I think in the code itself I still have a burn value somewhere. Oh yeah, right here. burn equals 0. I also had poison, but is the poison also still in here? I wonder. Or maybe did I got rid of poison and just made it burn only? I don't know. I do not know. Real quick, let's just see if one of my older versions are around here. That would it be in version 4? I don't think it was version 4. It's interesting what I have for version 4 though. The version I have is version 5. Yeah, version 5 here. Must have been version 3 then. I don't even know if I have any built with version 3 around here. And also, I don't even think version 3 had online play. It was more for just when I was working on the single player. But yeah, I think enough of talking about that. Let's just get rid of that. Let's actually just get the program to work, I guess. First off, I think I'm gonna just start off rendering the burn value. Units renderer. Okay. So I know what's going on here for once. It's just I just wanted to make sure. Because this is pretty much just rendering the stuff or around the unit, like I don't know, taunt, life if it has life steal and all that stuff. Oh wait, thinking about it. Unit burn. Don't we also have, doesn't stun also go there? Where are you? Add a symbol for hexproof? Huh, I did. Where are you? Oh, it's on that side. What goes here? Yeah, well, actually, what goes all around all these? Huh, okay. So, we can just put burn on top then. Can I actually do it through here? Just move it. No. So, just move it on top, so then, if we do all that... Ah, still not on top, the fudge. Because if I have a hexproof and burn... I guess we can just always... I think you gotta just do that. Yeah, there we go. Barely noticeable. Okay. There could be a better way to have all these things show up on around the unit, but at the moment there isn't. Okay, let's just take all those back off. Let's turn that off. Now let's just override the current one. Good, I didn't break any code. I override successfully. That would have been a lot of issues if it didn't. Get back to actually rendering it. Okay. Just gonna copy the first one I see. If unit burn, I don't need this count, is greater than 0. Stat dot. No, I just need transform dot find burn set active. Okay, because the game object on the burn symbol is called false. And we're also going to need that text to show the number. So to do that, technically I don't need to do anything here. What did I? So now I got to do dot transform not fine. What did I call? Did I call it burn text? Oh, I gotta take it out again just to remember the goddamn name. Burn text little b. No, wrong one. That's the recording program. Was that a big B? What was a big B? Big B for that. Little b for that. No, big. This needs to be a big B. This has the little b. Text. Fudge. I gotta keep taking this out because then to actually give the value its number, it has text mess pro. Okay. Mm. Just grabbing the code from somewhere else. Oh, text mess pro. Dot get component. Oh, that must have been loud. Or how do I do this, actually? Text mess pro, okay. Do I just do dot text then? It's been a while since I did this part though. Is equal to udata dot burn. And also, we'll see if this works real quick, but first we gotta actually make sure the burnt data is actually getting sent to both the client and the host. Mm. Okay, does our code give us any errors? You cannot convert. Oh yes, so you gotta do plus plus string plus that. Are you happy now? Damn right you're happy. Okay, now let's just get rid of this again. Okay, now we just do build and run. That's gonna take a bit, maybe I'll cut it, I don't know. Okay, that took a bit. Okay, let's just... No, that's just... Since the screens are really tiny there. No, I think I could do it from here. Yeah, okay, get rid of all that nonsense. Let's just put in a cheap unit. Tester Bob. Play. 1v1. Enter room. Ready. Ready. And turn. Let's play a unit. And now let's just actually give it burn and let's see how it renders. Yep. Okay, that would be placed under player A units. Okay. Go to the data here, find the burn value for all this nonsense. Okay, let's see. 1. Okay, there's our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 69. Okay, yeah, that worked. Now we just get out of this, close this. And now let's actually apply the burn effect first before we actually get to the hero power. Okay. So now we just go to and turn. And turn manager, I guess. Yeah, this is going through each unit in turn champs. No, that's for if they're stunned. Yeah, because this is going for your units at the end of your turn. So, and unit dot take damage from has it take damage from champion? I don't have it just take damage feature. Hmm. I'm gonna do this because like it needs to because like or it's gonna if I because if it takes damage at the end of the turn, it needs to trigger. But the way I have it set up at the moment, because it's been a while since I touched my code, is that let's say the way this works, if your champion has lifesteal with the player, then you would gain health, or if it was from the spell, but it's not coming from any of these free sources, and that means I would have to rework a few codes relating around taking damage. It's not a big deal, but what to do, what to do. I guess we're gonna actually have to make our own function. Okay. We'll use this. No Unix intake, just damage and bool update. Okay. Damage trigger. This is gonna be annoying. Oh, but thankfully I did this dot game object. Hmm. Hmm. Oh boy. Because I don't want to just have to recode everything and then. Because the damage trigger is fine. I could just leave that alone somewhat. But the issue is. Okay. I can. The game's object.source. Damage trigger, that's fine. I can always just add. No, no. I think I don't think I know what to do. I think I know what to do. No source. I'm gonna have to make this anyways. Okay. Don't need that. Damage trigger. But there is no source, so I'm probably gonna have to make a new kind of damage trigger. Oh boy, oh boy. Passive. Yeah, I'm gonna have to do all this nonsense. And I'm gonna have to fix a few cards that have damage trigger effects. I think there's only one technically at the moment, but still. Damage trigger. Yeah, target. It's fine. Now we're gonna have to go back to damage trigger in game manager. I'm gonna have to edit all this nonsense. I'm gonna make a copy of it. Okay. Where we get rid of the source. Just do damage. Oh, wait, what? Didn't I just... Did I fix it where I can just do target and damage? Let's see. Yep. Target damage. Oh, okay. Maybe that wasn't that bad. Okay, and then we go back to take damage through the Unix spool. Okay. Get rid of all this nonsense. Get rid of this. And let's, just to be clear, let's go to end turn. Turn? I don't think no, it's not turn. Oh, I guess it is in turn manager. Just save that real quick and let's see if we got any errors. Nope, no errors. So now we just go back to here, then we do dot take damage, which we'll do is equal to yeah, we'll just do it for this for now. Unit dot burn, and then we'll do update to be yes, true. Yeah, we'll do it like that. There, the burn mechanic should work. Now we gotta do make the effect to give you a unit burn. No, or hmm. Oh no, we can technically just test it in game. So gonna have to build it again. But first things first. Let's just actually give the unit some more health. Okay, Tester Bob will give Tester Bob 5 health. Okay, right changes. Now we'll build, compiling. Now we'll build it again. I'm recording, right? Yes, I am. That would suck if I wasn't recording. Okay, I was worried something wasn't working for a second. Okay. Now we'll go back to units. Fuck. What am I doing? There it is. Then we scroll down. Give him burn 1. Now we'll end our turn and the health should go down. It did not go down. Okay. Oh, I'm an idiot. That's why it didn't go down. Okie dokie. Because I put this in the wrong thing. Because this is for only when it's stunned. And just to be safe, I should have a if unit dot burn is greater than 0. Okay, and here's the funny thing. I don't have to rebuild. I don't have to build it again. Cause all this is happening through the main shit. So, which is this, or the hosts, and this is the host side. So I don't have to go through that long process of redoing it. That would take forever, or at least it could. A minute and a half. Ready, ready. Nope, wrong one. There it is. Player A units. Okay, we set the burn to 1. And if we unturn now, then it should work. There we go. Okay. Like, I'm not sure having it be at the end of turn would be the greatest. I think it'd be better if you do both maybe beginning and end of turn, but that's just my opinion. I'll just do end of turn for now. Okay, now we set it for 2, and we'll see if we take 2. We took 2. There we go. That works. Good. Now we gotta make the hero power. Or before that, uh, set stats. I have an effect called stat sets. Okay. Wait, is it set stats? No, it's not set stats. It's set num stats. Burn. Burn. Okay. Also, I guess. Hmm. Like, I'm not sure how burn works in Unchained, but I'm thinking of for me, when you heal a unit, the burn goes away. Yeah, let's do that. Hmm. I don't know. Don't I have a heal? Oh, I started with capital H. Okay. Okay, I have an idea how I want to make this work for healing's effect. It'll first heal the burn, and then whatever heal remaining will go onto the unit. We'll do it like that. That's actually a funny idea. Um, and if people don't think that's a good idea, I can always get rid of the change. But how do I want to do this? New heal. Okay. Let's say the heal's 5. Take away. Let's say the burn's. I can always do take away burn if I want to start healing the health. Why did I do his health is greater than max health? Max mana. Good thing I actually decided to look, because that would have caused some issues. Okay. So I should do if new heal is greater than 0, because technically if there's no heal whatsoever, then it shouldn't even bother doing any of this nonsense. Or maybe just to be safe, I'd still put game manager update. Okay. But do I actually want to imply that? Maybe they should just be burning forever, but you would think heals would get... forget it. I'll think about it later, but good thing I noticed that. That would have been a disaster. Okay, now we'll go to test champ ability 1. Cast is valid target. I made a type target, so yeah, I don't have to change anything for there. Don't need this. Technically, do I even need this? No, I could just do return true. Okay, that belongs to there. That goes to the array. And get rid of this. Return true. Oh. Cast on target. You data. No. Yeah, you data. Get component. You data. You data. Hmm. I'm gonna have to get rid of all this stuff here, but for now I'm just thinking. Because this is the unit data. I'm gonna have to first get rid of this. Change that to that. I don't think I need all that. Its name is equal to all that. I don't want all that. I just want to... If unit or udata dot owner champ. I forgot. Do these guys have a certain tag? Yeah. Okay. Might actually be better just to keep that for now. If udata dot owner dot tag hmm Oh yeah, I didn't do it like that, did I? No, wait. It's been a while since I made these things. Do I actually have I don't want to do all that. But first, no wait. I don't have to load up the game. I just have to, ability 1. What values do I have set here? What the fuck do I have? What the fuck is A supposed to represent? I don't even remember what I code half the time. Oh, player 1. Oh, I do have a value called player. No, that's the button. And this is the ability. Okay, where's the ability? Shit. Okay. Guess we're actually just gonna look at the actual code. It's been a while since I did this. Oh, apparently ability. I have a value of called ability, but why isn't it showing? Okay. Do I have an update? Okay. Ability.ownerChamp.abilities number. Why do I have this? No, wait. No, okay, yeah, yeah. Don't know why I have it set like that. Ability.championname.ownerChamp. Oh, oh, come on. Okay. That's what I gotta do. So what I gotta do first is owner. Okay, there's gotta been code. I don't want to retype all that. There's gotta been previous code I did. That I can just copy and paste. I hate trying to remember the top of my head. There we go. There we go. Easy as pie. And then if we do owner champ dot tag, May I already have some sort of buff effect? I'll look at that again once real quick. Then we just apply the buff we're gonna give it. But then we also do the burn. We're gonna do it. Set. What did I call it? Son of a gun. Set num stat. Capital S. Set num stat. Burn. Okay, let's just double check that. For S, I need an S. Okay, and burn to little b. Little b. Okay, any errors? File, build, and run. Okay, we load up our testability. 1v1. Oh, I made it worth a white. Fudge. Boop. So let's just give ourselves a white. Ready, ready. Okay. Now if we place this on our guy, it's really hard to see. Let's just roll up to him. Oh, now if we drag it onto him, there, gave him the burn effect. And in the turn, he's burning. He's burning. Now we play this. Let's do it on the enemy. Now, yeah, I gave him burn 3. And put on this guy. Now he has that much more burn. He's just on fire, isn't he? Yeah, that didn't take too long. I don't know how long this recording has been going to, but now we just gotta actually initialize it and make it its own thing. Okay. First thing, let's go to database. We're already in hero powers. New record. Alpha. It's gonna be a target. What's this called again? Enrage. Cost. We'll give it a 2. It'll cost. We'll do it 1 red for now. Null. Text. Give a unit +2 +2. And apply burn 1. Guess we'll just say, we'll just give it a capital B. If it was a enemy unit, I guess if it an enemy unit. Wait, is it giving it burn 3 or burn? Hmm. Give it at give it, I'll say burn +2 instead. Null. The designer? Okay, who made this game? Immutable. Because I know I did not design it, that's for sure. And yes, so we write changes. And now let's see if it shows up on our database. Or at least our list of hero powers. No. Weird. Maybe I typed something wrong. Or do I not? No, I do. It seems like I do have a null picture. Okay. Weird. Should have showed up. That seems kind of strong. Oh, there it is. Is that a Y? U? Did I put a U instead of a Y? Or plu? Fine, we'll do a little B. The little big B is it's kind of making me like a yeah. Someone was talking in the background. I have to mute the mic. Anyways, now we're gonna actually uh, actually have it be able to load up its own thing into the database into the game. Just trying to remember where how I set the champ ability. Okay, I found it. For some reason, when I was trying to search up champ ability factory, it wasn't finding it right away. Whatever. Okay. So yeah, set this to 18. Now we're actually got to make our own champ ability, which we go to here, champ abilities, red, new, or create, C script, CA, Enrage. Now we just copy and paste the code from here. So now all we have to do is CA Enrage. Let's see if everything builds right. Seems like it did. Build and run. Okay, we got our Enrage ability here, and we're just gonna do a quick little test for it. Now we're going to test it out. Usually I need 2 mana, but I'm going to cheat a little bit in order to give my player 2 mana by doing this. Now it says he has 2 mana, so I can use this. We drag it on, and there you have it. It works. So it didn't take too long. It took me a little bit longer than expected. Just trying to remember everything. And it turns out I actually found something that needed to be fixed, thankfully. So again, yeah, that's the end of this video. Again, thanks for watching, and see you next time. Bye bye.